Being a working professional and also be responsible to run a family can be challenging and hectic every day. While to be professionally engaged is a personal choice, working women do enjoy financial independence over and above being very confident. We at indePenn believe that every woman has the extra energy to power her way to success and growth as a multitasker. What is the secret to being an amazing multitasker? Here are 5 tips from us that can make your life smooth and stable. 1. Do proper planning to handle your home. Proper planning and presence of mind make things easier for you. Just spend 5 to 10 minutes daily to create a to-do list for your house management. 2. Manage time in better ways. We all have 24 hours, but those who utilize this time properly can become successful in their life and try to distribute time for everything every day. 3. Reduce your stress level. Most importantly, spend some time on your health. A 10 to 15 minutes yoga or meditation daily can drastically reduce your anxiety and stress level. Plan some quality family time on weekends and avoid overtime work. 4. Love yourself. Self-care is especially essential because working women typically spend all their time working and hardly take time for themselves. Please refrain from doing this. You need to carve out some time for yourself. 5. Delegate your work. Don't hesitate. Make a habit of delegating the work. Don't do everything by yourself. Divide some work among your life partner, children, and other family members also. You are not required to solve every problem on your own. At indePenn, we provide you with the knowledge and self-assurance you need to succeed in your career and personal life. Please visit us now in our website, indePenn.com.